3.25.
Let me see that cell phone. Is that the iPhone 4?
No, this is the iPhone 6 actually.
The iPhone 6?
Because you guys aren't hitting that like button and that subscribe button, and I'm not getting paid enough to be doing this, so I can't have a good phone anymore. Ain't that right, Devon?
Can't do it. We need more likes. Matter of fact, we need subscribers. We need more subscribers.
Bro, I had air and sleep for dinner last night. Come on, guys. You want to see more big turbo cars? Hit that like button.
It's the secret sauce.
Yay!
You're just in time for today's intro. Stop. That's all. Well, Leo's not doing the intro with us today, but thanks guys for checking out today's episode. We're just got a little vlog for us prepared. There's gonna be some footage before this car is actually physically on the dyno, but we're just working in the shop today. We've got Victory Motorsports out here to tune our big turbo R32 VR6 build. Seems pretty sick. It's got a dog box, a fat BorgWarner turbo on it, custom everything. Guys, if you stuck around to the end of today's episode, we got some good news for you. We're actually going to be doing a giveaway for a Eurofed hoodie and some merch packs. All you got to do is drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, head over to Instagram, drop a like, follow, and comment on the post that reflects this video. He's on the way over to our channel right now to go subscribe. But after you've done all that, we're going to be announcing the winner 1 week from today's video's launch date on Eurofed Automotive's Instagram channel. And that's all you got to do to enter. We hope you win. Thanks for watching today's episode, and we'll see you on the next one.